So in this video, I am showing you all some things that I got from Temu. And I'm starting with unboxing these black candle holders. So they allowed me to get a few items to share with you all. And then they have like a $0 items. So if you put my code in the Temu app or site and you search for it, you'll have $0 items pop up that you can purchase. So I love that these candle holders come in a set of 6. So I'm going to be able to use 3 on one side, 3 on the other side. They're very lightweight, so like if you were to try to use it outside or something, you would definitely need to weigh these down. So I did get a crystal pendant stand, which is very trendy. I'm just unwrapping all the pieces. Everything did come wrapped really well, especially like the plates that you build the stand on. And they come with pendants that are 2 different sizes. As you can see, I'm just taking the film off both sides of the little circular pieces. Them covering that up, that made, because this is acrylic, it made it like really nice and clear. But I do have like a critique, like the pendants, they're not as clear. So I do like that this is acrylic, because I do have a crystal one that's really glass, that's easy to break. So I did like that this was acrylic, but acrylic just doesn't have the same shine as real glass or real crystal. So it did not come with instructions, so I kind of have to look at the picture to put it together. So it's like small, medium, large. And then I'm just putting on the pendants. Give yourself at least an hour for installation, because this does take time to put together. Another critique I have is that I don't like that the pendants have holes on both sides. So my crystal stand is only a hole on one end of the pendants. But I think is decent enough for an event. It still is very beautiful, but it's very time consuming to put this together. So I'm gonna kind of turn off the camera and finish some of it, and then I'll come back and let you all see my progress. But it's very tedious, because with my crystal stand, it took me an hour to put the thing together, and I think that one is bigger too. So yes, at least give yourself an hour to put this together. And so that's what I'm doing. I'm just going around. So I did put the shorter crystals pendants at the bottom, and then the longer ones for the middle and the top. And I'm setting the table now. I love that it was 6 of those stands, because I was able to put 3 on each side. I'm adding some floating candles. And then I also happen to have 2 fresh flowers that was in this color. And I was like, oh, this is great. I'm going to add these to the table as well. I'm learning floral design, and so happened I saw that there were flowers in this color. Had I known that when I did my event, I would have been using these flowers. Please excuse my dog, but this is how it turned out. I do really like these items that I got from Temu. And again, don't forget to search my code for some $0 items from Temu. I will also provide you with links to these actual items that I got as well. So let me know your thoughts. What do you think of this setup? I've been doing a couple of setups with this dusty rose and black, and I'm really loving this combination. And notice how I threw some gold in there as well. So I would love to hear from you in the comments. Thank you so much for watching.